Good morning to all Nigerians. Good morning to all Nigerians. I'm using this opportunity to greet everybody Nigerian. I love Nigeria and I love my country. I love Southeast. I love Biafra. Biafra is my state. But let me say what I'm trying to say right now. My name is His Royal Majesty Eze Ndị Igbo South Africa. Igwe Ndị Igbo South Africa. Like I said, that I will continue to tell you the truth. I will continue to spread the good news to everyone that listening to my video message. Since I came back to Nigeria, there's a lot of things that's confusing me, and it is worrisome. In fact, I don't know whether our Nigerian government, I don't know whether can I say they're stupid or their brain is not working enough, or they are doing what they are doing out of wickedness. Is it wickedness? Why I'm saying this, every time you see police people on the street, you see so-called SARS or whatever you call them, they say security forces, task force, pursuing anyone that carries a beautiful car. This is madness. How can you be pursuing somebody who carry nice car? Why are you pursuing them? Whenever you ask them question, why are you pursuing those people who carry nice car, who are driving nice car? More especially young boys. The next thing these people will tell you that these people are Yahoo boys, are criminals. They are Yahoo boys and criminals. Then you ask them, show me evidence that show that these people are Yahoo boys. No evidence. Just ordinary intimidation. Why must you be intimidating your own people? Why must you be wicked against your own people? Did they steal your money? Did they come to your office and steal, or government or central bank and steal their money? All this nonsense should stop in Nigeria. I don't know the type of government we have in Nigeria. You just judging somebody without evidence. No judge that judge some case without evidence. Although some of our police don't know their left and right. They don't even go to school. They don't know the law of Nigeria. They just want to brag, arresting you for nothing. That you plait your hair, you look so nice, you wear cushion, you wear that you wear designer. It's the only way. That is the only way they want to arrest you, call you Yahoo boy. Where you know that you are working hard for a living. Nigerian government, you are not giving our youth work. Our youth are not working. Many of them are graduates. They finish school but no job. They try to help themselves for a living. Now you are harassing them all over. You don't know that whenever you are doing this nonsense, the whole world are watching you, how you harass your own people, disgracing our country. Say you are fighting Yahoo boys, you are chasing them, you are putting them in prison. They are not kidnapping. If you want them to start kidnapping, they are not stealing your money. They never steal your money. They never steal your wife's money. They never steal your family's money. But they do. Maybe some of them they do business of trading in different way. Wherever they get money, you should allow them to enjoy their money, because they never steal. The worst is that politicians, governors, senators are stealing our money in quantum with the pen. Billions dollars, they are stealing it with the pen. And this useless police who are outside there have never go arrest them. When we arrest them, they just go to Senate House and talk rubbish, House of Assembly and talk rubbish and pass fake laws. They can't even pass law to stop Fulani herdsmen. They can't even stop Fulani herdsmen and killing people in different way, living in a forest like animal. But never, rather than they will be chasing small boys who are fighting, who are looking for something to do, any something for their own survival. Nigerian government should stop all this nonsense. Stop stealing, looting our Nigerian public fund. You governors, me especially Southeast governor, they are the worst governor in this country. Southeast are worst governors, because all these things they are doing is the way that they're stealing our public fund, stealing Nigeria, their state allocations. The police, I give you order, military police, military soldiers, police of Nigeria, go after them. Senators, go after House of Assemblies, chairman, local government, governors, who are politicians, who are stealing who are looting Nigerian public funds. Stop disturbing the life of people, children, youths who are looking a way to survive and help themselves and help their family. They are not stealing your money. Don't say somebody dress. You want them to be dirty. Nobody will be dirty. Only you people can be dirty like a pig. Youths can never be dirty. They must dress up. They can do any business, international business, and make money. Stop disturbing them. Let them bring that money and spend it in Nigeria. But you people in the government are stealing our money and go and bank in America, London, Switzerland, many places. Why are you not ashamed of yourself by disturbing the youths who you didn't provide any one single job to them? Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Our ace, next revolution will destroy this country. I thank you. God bless Nigeria. God bless President Muhammad Buhari. God bless Nigeria. And God bless world at large. God bless South Africa. God bless His Royal Majesty, Ezendibo South Africa. God protect you, bless you wherever you are. Those people who are working hard, the youth, please go. Don't be lazy, work. Wherever you get money, but don't kill anybody. Please, don't do ritual like Onyeze Jesus. Onyeze Jesus is a criminal. Never imitate Onyeze Jesus. Just do your normal thing. Go to your laptop. Do your normal business. Thank you. Everybody's using laptop, computer, even in government house. Do it and make your money. I support every youth who are working very hard to make money. Drive the best car you should drive, but have conscience. Thank you. Bye.